Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize using OAuth with GitHub for mobile apps step by. Begin by creating a GitHub account if you don't already have one. Once you have an account, log into the GitHub website. Navigate to the developer settings by clicking on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. On the left sidebar, you will next select OAuth apps from the options that appear. Click the New OAuth App button to register a new application. Fill in the required fields, starting with the application name. Then, enter the home page URL for your app. For the authorization callback URL, provide the URL where users will be redirected after authentication. Once you've filled out the details, click the Register Application button at the bottom. After registration, you will receive a client ID and client secret. Keep your client secret secure as it will be needed in your mobile app. In your mobile application, you'll need to implement the OAuth flow. Use an HTTP library to make requests to GitHub's OAuth authorization endpoint. Construct the authorization URL using your client ID and scopes. Redirect users to this authorization URL to allow them to log in with their GitHub accounts. Once the user authorizes your app, GitHub will redirect them back to your callback URL with an authorization code. Capture this authorization code in your application. Exchange the authorization code for an access token by making a POST request to GitHub's token endpoint. Include your client ID, client secret, and the authorization code in this request. Upon a successful request, you'll receive an access token that you can use to authenticate API calls. Store this access token securely in your application. Now you can use the access token to access GitHub's APIs on behalf of the user. This completes the step-by-step process of authorizing using OAuth with GitHub for mobile apps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.